In today's video, we're comparing Knowroaming and Instabridge to find out which eSIM service has better coverage. For those who aren't familiar with yeSIMs, they are a digital SIM that allows you to connect to mobile networks without a physical SIM card. This makes them perfect for travelers who need to switch networks easily. Knowroaming is known for its extensive global coverage and convenient setup process. It offers a range of plans that suit both occasional and frequent travelers. However, Instabridge provides a competitive alternative with its affordable rates and growing network. But how do they stack up in terms of coverage and user experience? And what's the best option if you want unlimited internet? That's where yesim comes in. Unlike many providers, yesim offers unlimited data packages, which can be a game changer for those who don't want to worry about data limits. You can find out more about yesim's offerings using this link. It's perfect for anyone looking for flexible and reliable internet access while traveling. Now, back to our comparison. While Knowroaming covers over 200 countries, Instabridge is quickly expanding its reach, making it a viable option for many users. The choice ultimately depends on your specific needs, whether you prioritize coverage, price, or the convenience of unlimited data. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video for more eSIM reviews and travel tips.